that Jungle Cruise. It's real quick right now. It's a lot better than this stuff.
Attention all Jungle Cruise passengers. Having asked several Victoria liner so in all the available spaces in front of you. When you reach the bottom of the stairs, don't mind one line on the left and one line on the right. Please pick the shoulder of the two, keeping your group together. Unless there's an individual in your group you'd like to get rid of, put them in the opposite line and you'll never see them again. Thank you. Your adventure awaits.
Attention Jungle Cruise skippers! Captain Mary Oceania is seeking skilled skippers to join her on her next expedition. Back to our music.
Of the PoV seat in the house right here. Welcome in, watch your head, watch your step, use the handrails. Go ahead and slide all the way down as close as you can to the person in front of you. Pretend like you all like each other. Go ahead and wave goodbye to all the beautiful people on the dock. Bye! Now go ahead and wave goodbye to all the ugly people on the dock. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome aboard the world famous Jungle Cruise. My name is Allison, and I'll be your skipper, guide, and dance instructor for the next 3 months. Now for your safety, please make sure you remain fully seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs, head, shoulders, knees, and toes inside the boat at all times. Parents, supervise the little ones, and little ones, please. Supervise your parents, they're wild. Now, really quick before we continue, do you guys want to see some danger? Yeah? There it is, danger, in capital letters. Now if you look up over on your right hand side, you'll see the Temple of the Forbidden Eye. That's where famed archaeologist Indiana Jones is searching for the world's greatest treasure. Now I don't know why, for some reason he's always looking in there when I'm clearly standing right here. Yeah, oh my, would you look at that. It's a 500-pound Indonesian tiger. Does anyone here on board happen to know what side of the tiger has the most stripes? The outside. Yeah, that's right. He's here often. Now, folks, we don't know what we'll be finding out during our cruise, so you go ahead and keep your eyes open. I'm going to keep mine closed. It looks like we found the sacred bathing pool of the Indian elephant. It's okay to take pictures. Feel free to take as many as you'd like. They all have their trunks on. Except that one. I don't know what that's doing there, but Folks, the only thing I ask in return is that if you guys are taking pictures during the cruise, just make sure that you don't get me in any of them. My mom thinks I'm a lawyer. And if you look over there, that's Big Bertha. Big Bertha is a clear example of what happens to you when you stay in the shower for too long. Yeah, you turn into an elephant. It almost happened to me once. Just kidding, I don't shower. Now I want to introduce you to my friend Square. Hey, Square! He said to just be careful because sometimes he likes to come up twice. Okay, oh no. Oh no, everyone, duck! Duck, duck, duck! Goose, just kidding, I'm kidding. Ooh, what is that? Oh my god, an explosion! Let's get closer. Now, jokes aside, for real this time, I hope you folks don't mind, but we're actually going to swing by on a camp set up ahead. What in the jungle? A gorilla with a gun? Looks like the apes are calling the shots around here. Yeah, look at what they did to my truck. They left the lights on. Now it won't turn over. Now, folks, let me tell you something. You know, usually whenever I'm on my cruise and I have some sort of free time, I always like to use it. So I'm going to take this time and I'm going to point out some of the most exotic plants that we have here at the world famous Jungle Cruise. Are you ready? Yes. Yeah, and up ahead we have beautiful Schweitzer Falls, but don't worry too much about that right now. We'll go over it later. Now, as we leave the Congo, we enter the Nile River, the longest river in the world. It goes on for Niles and Niles and more Niles. And if you don't believe me, you're in denial. Up on your left-hand side, we have an African elephant. And over on your right, we have my good friend Bobo. Everyone, please do me a huge favor. Pick your favorite hand and go ahead and wave goodbye. Bye, Bobo. Okay, now in Spanish. And if you look straight across, you'll see those really, really tall things with really long necks. Do you guys know what those are? They're trees. Yeah. Oh my goodness, isn't that sweet? Those lions are taking care of that sleeping zebra. Oh. That's right, that's how zebras sleep here at the Jungle Cruise, on their side. Head slightly bent and their eyes wide open. And you're like, oh no, it's Skipper Freeland! We've been looking for you all morning! Looks like those skippers need our help. There must be something we can do. Yeah, I got nothing. But, oh dear! Now if you pay close attention and you look closely, next to that bamboo right there on your left, right there. Yeah, you'll see nothing. Look at all these hippos. Why, just last week I heard they sink about 6 boats. But don't worry, folks, only 5 of those were mine. Now, don't worry, hippos are only really dangerous whenever you see them blowing bubbles or wiggling their ears. Oh, just kidding. Just kidding, don't worry, I'm gonna scare them away. Everyone, cover your ears! Woo! You see, that's why I'm the skipper. Because when I'm in the jungle, I try to stay armed. And legs. I do what I can. Looks like that family of chimps has found a new place to crash, whatever floats their boat. You know, some people say, if not most people, and I share this all the time because I hear it all the time. People always say, Allison, your job is so easy, even a monkey could do it. Joke's on them because those are chimps, not monkeys. But let's get out of here now. See those butterflies over there? They just aren't what they used to be. Caterpillars. Yeah, looks like nothing bugs those two. And now, folks, the moment that you've all been waiting for, I can hear the anticipation, the beautiful, the colossal, the stupendous, the marvelous, the 8th wonder of the world, Oh, no, just me? Okay, well, if that didn't impress you, guess what? There's a front side of rock. Yeah, some people take that for granted. Now, don't tell anyone, but I've heard that this spot right here is a great fishing spot. In fact, the locals say that the fish, they're always biting. Except they're in summer school right now, so that's why you can't see them. But folks, tell me, what's a jungle cruise without your jungle cruise souvenir? Up ahead we have our official gift shop, Trader Sam's. Now, you may be asking yourselves, why does it say lost and found? Well, let me tell you, lost are treasures left behind by explorers before you, and found are deals at rock bottom prices. And we're actually going to make a quick stop right here. Just a short stop right here. I just have to address the elephant. Anyway, go ahead and give yourselves a big round of applause. You survived the most favorite double cruise. Woo! Now, as we approach the dock, my friends, we kindly ask that you please remain fully seated, keeping your hands, arms, and elbows inside the boat at all times. Once again, please make sure we remain fully seated, keeping your hands, arms, and elbows inside the boat. We don't want to scratch the dock. And it's safe to say that out of all the crews I've had, you folks by far have definitely been one of them. So if you laughed at my jokes today, thank you so much for coming. But if you came and you didn't laugh at my jokes today, thank you so much for leaving. All right, get out. Oh, I'm so sorry, that was so rude, please. Get out. Water side, please exit through the back door. Don't cross the center boxes. Dog side, please exit through the front. Watch your head, watch your step, use the handrails. And folks, if you guys like dark humor, come back at nighttime. Watch your head, watch your step, use the handrails.
Use the handrails. Exit out to your left side, please. Thank you very much.
Watch your head, watch your step, use the handrails.